These right here are paper nail decors, and I want to see how they look and how I can use them with a French manicure. With French manicures, you usually start with the tip, but in this case I'm starting at the base of the nail to create my French smile line, because on the clear edge I'll be using the paper decors. I rarely do French manicures this way, but I thought, why not give it a go? And by the way, this nail design is all being used with gel polish. So here are the paper Christmas nail decors. So firstly, I'm going to be applying gel glue and just start placing the paper nail decors. Place them wherever I like, how I feel that's right, to cover the nail tip to create the French manicure. And I didn't want them only individually placed. As you can see, I have overlapped some. So now the paper decors are placed, I'll be using this clear builder gel to encapsulate the nail paper art. This builder gel is literally amazing and it's very clear as well. But as you can see here, over the clear builder gel, I am putting a base coat and then adding some shimmer sparkle as it is Christmas. And then I'm just going to outline the French and do a dotted technique snowflake. And not forgetting the bling on the snowflake. Finishing up with top coat, and this is how it turns out. I think it turned out pretty okay.